Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most overlooked canvases in home decor. The staircase. Most of us let our stairs fade into the background, but they have so much untapped potential. I'm sharing 9 favorite ideas that will totally transform your staircase. Think cozy runners, dramatic lighting, and more. Let's take your staircase from overlooked to unforgettable. Let's kick things off with stair runners, a simple yet transformative addition to any home. If you're looking for a way to instantly elevate your staircase, add comfort underfoot, and infuse your space with personality, stair runners are the perfect solution. They're not just about looks, they're about creating a welcoming, cozy vibe from the moment you step inside. A runner instantly adds warmth, texture, and color. Plus, it helps reduce noise on hardwood stairs. Imagine the soft, cushioned feel as you walk up and down, and the gentle hush that replaces the usual clatter of footsteps. It's a small change that makes a big difference, especially in busy households or homes with pets and kids. Choose a classic neutral for timeless style, like soft greys, beiges, or creams. These shades blend seamlessly with any decor, making your staircase feel elegant and understated. Neutrals are perfect if you want a look that will never go out of fashion and will complement seasonal changes in your home's style. Or go bold with patterns for a statement look. Vibrant stripes, geometric prints, or even floral motifs can turn your stairs into a true focal point. Don't be afraid to express your personality. Runners are a great way to experiment with color and design without committing to a full renovation. Installation is easier than you think, with peel and stick options for renters. No need for nails or staples, just measure, cut, and press into place. It's a quick weekend project that anyone can tackle, and it's completely reversible if you ever want to change things up or move out. Runners tie your entryway together and are a practical luxe-feeling upgrade. They protect your stairs from wear and tear, add a layer of safety by reducing slips, and make your home feel more inviting. Even your pets will love the extra comfort. Swap them out whenever you want a fresh look. Your guests will notice the difference, whether you're updating for the season, a special occasion, or just because stair runners offer endless possibilities to refresh your space and make every step feel special. Next up, let's talk about painted risers, a surprisingly budget-friendly way to make your staircase truly pop and become a focal point in your home. If you're looking for a project that delivers maximum impact with minimal effort, this is it. Painted risers are a fantastic way to inject color, pattern, and personality into a space that's often overlooked. Whether your style is bold and modern or soft and traditional, there's a painted riser look for everyone. One classic approach is to alternate crisp, clean treads with vibrant, colorful risers. This creates a striking contrast that draws the eye upward and instantly enlivens the entire staircase. You can choose a single color for a cohesive look, or mix and match hues for a playful, eclectic vibe. If you're feeling creative, try painting geometric patterns, stripes, or even an ombre effect that fades from one shade to another as you climb. These artistic touches can turn your staircase into a true work of art, making every trip up or down feel special. For extra personality, consider using stencils to add intricate designs or motifs. Stenciling is a great way to achieve a detailed look without needing advanced painting skills, and you can customize the pattern to match your home's decor. Painted risers also let you keep the rest of the staircase neutral. Think classic wood or white treads, while still adding a playful, unexpected touch. This approach works especially well if you want to experiment with color but prefer to keep the overall look balanced and timeless. If you're renting or just want a temporary change, removable wallpaper is a fantastic option. It's easy to apply, comes in endless patterns and colors, and can be swapped out whenever you're ready for a new look, no commitment required. For a truly polished finish, pair bold risers with a neutral runner. This combination grounds the space, adds comfort underfoot, and lets your creative riser designs take center stage without overwhelming the room. Don't be afraid to go bold. Your staircase is the perfect canvas for self-expression. Whether you choose bright colors, intricate patterns, or a subtle wash of color, painted risers are your chance to add serious personality and charm to your home. Let your imagination lead the way. Now, let's talk about one of the most visually striking ways to add personality and style to your home: creating a dynamic gallery wall along the stairs. Staircases are often overlooked, but they offer a unique canvas for creativity and self-expression. Instead of leaving this space blank or underutilized, you can transform it into a captivating focal point that tells your story and welcomes guests with a sense of warmth and artistry. The diagonal wall that runs alongside your staircase is perfect for displaying art, family photos, or even sculptural pieces. The natural upward movement of the stairs draws the eye along the wall, making it an ideal spot to showcase pieces that are meaningful to you. Whether you prefer bold, colorful artwork or black and white photography, this space can be tailored to reflect your unique taste and style. When it comes to framing, don't be afraid to mix and match different styles, sizes, and finishes for an eclectic, collected-over-time vibe. Or, if you love a more streamlined look, opt for matching frames in a single color or material for a cohesive, modern feel. The key is to create visual interest while maintaining a sense of harmony as you move up or down the stairs. Before you start hanging anything, lay out your gallery on the floor to experiment with different arrangements. This allows you to play with spacing, balance, and the overall flow of your display. Use painter's tape to mark the placements on the wall, so you can easily adjust and visualize the final look without making unnecessary holes. This step is especially helpful for staircases, where the angles and heights can be tricky to get just right. One of the best things about a staircase gallery wall is how easy it is to update. As your family grows, your travels take you to new places, or your tastes evolve, you can swap out photos and artwork to keep the display fresh and meaningful. It becomes a living, ever-changing reflection of your life and memories, making your home feel even more personal and inviting. So, don't let that blank staircase wall go to waste. With a little planning and creativity, you can turn it into an intentional, curated gallery that elevates your entire home and makes every trip up or down the stairs a visual delight. Upgrading your handrail is a quick way to modernize your staircase. Paint it black for sophistication or white for a crisp, classic look. Swap out spindles for metal or chunky wood to match your style. Even updating hardware or adding decorative brackets makes a big impact. You don't need a full remodel, just focus on the handrail for a fresh look. Endless options, always impressive results. Add LED strip lighting to your stair risers for instant nighttime magic. Soft ambient glow makes stairs safer and adds a premium touch. Peel and stick LED strips are easy to install and come in warm or colorful options. Smart home compatibility lets you control the lights from your phone. LED lighting pairs perfectly with runners or painted risers for a next-level look. Once you see the transformation, you'll never want to go back. Take your staircase to the next level with a statement light fixture above the stairs. Think chandeliers, oversized pendants, or sculptural sconces to draw the eye upward. Lighting is the jewelry of your home. Go bold for drama and style. Mix materials to tie into your decor and choose plug-in options for easy installation. Even renters can use oversized paper lanterns or lightweight pendants. The right fixture sets the mood and makes your staircase unforgettable. Want instant personality? Try wallpapering or stenciling the wall alongside your stairs. Go bold with florals, geometrics, or a moody mural. Peel and stick options make it easy. Stencils let you create a custom pattern unique to your home. The vertical space is perfect for dramatic patterns that draw the eye up. A statement wall here is a wow moment that's easier than you think. Decorative stair brackets or molding add instant character to your staircase. Choose from ornate Victorian to sleek modern styles and paint them to match or contrast. Updating molding along the stringer or under the handrail makes the whole staircase look finished. Installation is straightforward, and even a fresh coat of paint can make a big difference. Small details like these take your staircase from nice to truly special. Built-in storage under the stairs is the ultimate style meets function upgrade. Add drawers, cabinets, or open shelves for shoes, coats, or decor. Create a cozy reading nook with a bench and shelves for a unique hideaway. Prefab kits or DIY options make this project accessible for any skill level. Paint or wallpaper the storage for a custom look that matches your staircase. No more wasted space. Built-ins make your home more organized and impressive. There you have it, 9 staircase makeover ideas to transform your home. Even one small change can make a huge impact. So get creative and show off your style. Which idea shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.